Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more content.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today we are going to learn how to make a certificate design in Microsoft Office PowerPoint. First of all, open your PowerPoint. You can see here I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 version, and you can easily make any version for your PowerPoint. Then you can go to the design. You can see here, and then click slide size and click this custom slide size. You can make it a size, certificate size, and make the 8 inches or 5.5 inches. You can see here. Then I click OK, then click maximize. You can see here your certificate design page is ready for now. Then you can click it view, and you can click this guideline, sorry, guides. You can see here this is the guides hour. Then remove this hour, this area, and simple delete. Then go to the insert. You can see here, then home also click here. You can see here shape is here. Then go to insert also here. You can see here shapes is here. Then click this rectangle shapes here, something like this. You can see here. Then I select this shapes, something like this. You can see here. Then go to the edit shapes and click the edit point, and you can see here, and click a right click here. Then click the add point. You can see here. Then click this point is decrease the offside here, and this also is offside here, maybe something like this. You can see here something like this, and a little bit down it, maybe this. You can see here. Then change the color, something. I go to the format and I choose this color, maybe dark blue color. You can see here. Then click this small icon, and you can see here this is our fill color. Simple, I choose this gradient color, and I'm click this color, maybe delete here, delete this, and this also delete this, all delete here. You can see here. Then I'm using the color is dark blue color, maybe this color, and this also I'm using this color, something like this. You can see here. Then this is, and something like this. You can see here. Then I close it. You can see here. Then I'm using the shapes, and symbol I choose this freeform shapes here, maybe like this, and click this shapes, something like this. Sorry, click this and click this and click this point and click this point. You can see here. Then change the color, maybe like this. You can see here. Then press Ctrl or Command D, duplicate here. Then rotate it, flip horizontal. You can see here, and drag it here, maybe like this. You can see here. Then our simple design is ready for now. Then I'm using these shapes. Go to insert and this shapes, and symbol I choose this knot shapes here. Then I draw these shapes, something like this. You can see here I'm using these shapes and this oval shapes here, and I'm click these shapes, something like this, draw here. Then I change the color, maybe like this color, and make it no outline here. Then press Ctrl or Command D, this shapes is, and little bit decrease the size here, shape size, and change the color is maybe white color is here, something like this. You can see here. Then little bit increase the size, something like this. You can see here. Then put this area is your company's logo here, maybe select this shapes and press Ctrl or Command G, group here. You can see here. Then all select the area, maybe I select this all text shapes here, something like this. You can see here. Press Ctrl or Command G, group here. You can see here. Then go to the insert and make a border. Then I go to the shapes and I choose this rectangle shapes here, something. I draw these shapes, maybe like this. You can see here. Then go to the shape fill color, make it no fill here, and outline is the color is something this yellow color. Then I choose the weight, something 3pt. You can see here. Then our border is simple, ready for now. Click this little bit. Then type your certificate here. Then go to the insert and you can choose the word style also here. Then you can go to the home and text box also here. You can choose any text here. Simple, I choose this water style. Maybe I choose this water style. Simple, I select here and type the certificate here. You can see here, I draw this here, drag here, maybe like this, and select this area. Go to the home and click this, the font style here, something like this. I choose the font style maybe like this, and I choose this bold. And spacing also here, you can choose loose also here, very loose here, you can choose any spacing is here. Then I decrease the size maybe like this, something like this, and down it. I using loose also only, a little bit increase 28 font size here. Then change the color, maybe like white color, and choose another font style also here. You can choose any font style, maybe like this, you can see here any font style is here. Something I choose this font is better for this design. Certificate of appreciation, you can see here. Then drag it and simple change the color with white color. You can see here, decrease the font size also here, a little bit right side here. Put your logo, your companies and your authorized logos is here, maybe down it, and this also a little bit down it. Go to the insert and go to the pictures and click the your logo wherever. You can choose this logo is here, my YouTube channel logo, and you can choose any logo for your design. Then I decrease the size here, something like this, you can see here, and drag it here, maybe like this, you can see here. Then this is, click this shapes and go to right click here and ungroup here, you can see here. Then click this shapes and go to the format and choose the shape effect, it's shadow effect, maybe down its shadow here, put the shadow something up shadow, and you can click the shadow effect. This also shadow here, maybe like this, you can see here. This is certificate is little bit 3D effect is here, something like this. And type your name here, something I type this. Go to the home and I choose this text box. Simple, I click this text box, maybe like this, you can see here. Like this, it's your name, surname here. Maybe change this color, something like this. Change the font style is, you can choose any font style is here. I choose this one font style is here, and little bit decrease the size, something like this. And this also center alignment here, something like this. Not good this font style. I choose the font style brush script empty, something like this. This is a better font style is like this, you can see here. Then go to the insert and choose the text box also here, you can see here. Draw this text box, something like this, I draw this here maybe, and go to the center alignment is here, and I type this and select here and make it bold and make it uppercase here, something like this, you can see here. Then a little bit reduce the font size, maybe 14, 16, you can see here. Then press enter here and type your letter, experience or certificate letter, you can type easily, make this area something like this. Simple, I make it ren using command ren, something one, maybe that's this side, so type this area, something I draw this, select this and little bit decrease the size, maybe this like here, you can see. Then little bit down it, this down, and this enter, this is enter, maybe like this, something like this, you can see here. Then select it, check the on bold here, you can see here. Little bit decrease the font size, maybe like this, you can see here. This is, then make it the signature line or date line, you can see here. Go to the home And go to insert. Also here you can see here the text box also use easily, and type this line here and press enter. Press type that, press enter, make it this also center alignment here, then press Ctrl or Command D, duplicate here and drag it here, something like this, and simply type this signature here, SIGNATUR signature, maybe like this, and select or bold it, and this also select or bold it, and change the color. Maybe this color is I using this effect color, maybe like this, you can see here, and little bit I choose the color something dark color, this is like better, and this also change the color, this dark color I'm using, this black, and this is little bit gray color I'm using, this gray color, something like this. You can see here our certificate design is ready for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel, and also save me this image. Thank you so much.